In this video, we are upgrading our Flask chatbot into a Smart AI chatbot using Google Gemini. In the previous video, we built a support chatbot using Flask and a JSON file. It worked well for basic questions like login issues or refunds, but there was a big limitation. If the user asked something slightly different, the bot failed. If I type I can't log in, the bot responds correctly. But if I type I can't access my account, now it doesn't understand. That's because the bot only checks keywords. So today we are fixing that. Instead of relying only on keywords, we are connecting our chatbot to Google Gemini AI model. Now the bot can understand natural language and generate smart replies. By the end of this video, you will have a modern chat interface, Flask Backend, JSON quick responses, AI powered replies using Gemini. Basically, it's a real AI support assistant. First, we need to install the required packages: Flask for the server, Google Generative AI for Gemini, and .env to store our API key securely. Next, go to Google AI Studio and generate a free API key. Paste that key inside the .env file. Let's start coding. First, import required libraries. We load .env. This ensures sensitive information like API keys stays secure and out of the code base. Next, we initialize a Flask application. Flask will serve as the backbone of our chatbot's web interface. We create a Gemini client using the API key stored in our environment. We load a JSON file containing support responses. This allows the chatbot to quick reply to common queries without calling the AI models. This function scans user messages for keywords. If a match is found, it returns a predefined answer instantly. If no keywords is matched, the AI reply function steps in. It sends the user's message to Gemini, which generates a professional support response. The home root renders the chatbot's HTML interface, giving users a place to interact with the system. The chat root handles incoming messages. It first tries the first JSON reply, and if that fails, it falls back to the AI-generated response. Finally, it sends the reply back as JSON. At the end, we run the Flask app in debug mode, making it easy to test and troubleshoot during development. Save the file. Let's test it. The chatbot works in two steps. First, it checks the JSON file for common support questions. This keeps responses fast and predictable. If nothing matches, then the message is sent to Gemini AI. The Gemini AI model reads the user's message and generates a natural reply. So instead of fixed answers, the chatbot can now handle real conversations. Let's test it. This is exactly how modern startups build support systems. Instead of hiring large support teams, AI handle common questions automatically. In the next video, we can make this even more powerful. We can add memory training on your website, document knowledge, voice chat, and even WhatsApp integration. If you want the next level AI chatbot, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Naga Automates, and comment AI bot below. I will see you in the next video.